whether it's ding dong or ding ding dong, you will hear and see bells everywhere during the holidays. G here from OG Creations. It's that time of year, purchasing gifts for others when you really want to be buying all the shit for yourself. So what better way to start the shopping season than with a video tutorial of my bell end brief, now available for purchase at ogcreationstore.etsy.com. I create a small bell stencil and outline it on a pair of 95% modal cotton, 5% spandex briefs, using a washable marker. I slowly follow the outline of the bell and secure it using a rubber band. I then gather a small section of material under the lip of the bell to create the clapper. I crumple the rest of the brief and secure it with rubber bands. I soak the briefs in a soda ash bath for 20 to 25 minutes and then place them on dye racks for 12 to 24 hours until practically dry. Using 4-ounce needle nose bottles that I purchased from Amazon, I slowly apply Dharma Trading's liquid dyes in shades of Silver Lining, Brushed Steel, Wedgewood Blue, and Glacier Blue. I do allow for a few minutes between each color to try to negate any color blending. They are set aside for 24 to 48 hours in a warmish space, somewhere between 65 and 70 degrees. They are rinsed thoroughly in cold water and then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. They are dried completely, ironed, inventoried, and then shipped from my dyed covered hands to cover your hairy ass. I love it! Frosty blues and strong grays for a bulbous bell end. When you buy a pair, I'm sure whoever you show them off to will love the way you jingle your bells. Enjoy your holidays with your friends and loved ones. Make memories, and make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see created next.